Moms, you invest in everybody else. It's time for you to start investing in you. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk to you why a digital marketing program is the best investment for your future and the future of your family. Now, make sure you stick around to the very end of this video because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. You name it, I've been there, done that. From affiliate marketing, crypto trading, network marketing, drop shipping. I always felt like there was something missing. There was something they weren't telling me. I remember having this mom guilt because I was spending all this money trying to make money and not making a single dime. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that everything changed for me. Now, last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media so I no longer have to bother my family and friends. Now, if you are looking for a program, right, a course that's going to help you learn these high in-demand skills, you're in the right place at the right time, because I'm going to share with you what things you need to look for and show you real-time proof of what kind of money moms like you are making using our program, right? So learning digital marketing is so important for you because it's the world has gone digital, right? So if you have whatever you have, an offline business, online business, you need to learn how to attract your perfect customer, how to build a relationship with them, get them to know, like, to trust you, how to convert them from a cold lead into a buyer, right? So you need to learn these skills. And once you learn these skills, you can't unlearn them, and you can use them from whatever you choose. You can use them to build your business. You can use them to build somebody else's business. You can use them for whatever you want. And the income potential is you are limited by your imagination, right? There's no limit to the amount of money that you can earn. And as long as you have the internet, you have a device, you can work from anywhere and you can work around your family, right? So I'm going to share with you real-time proof of people that are earning this. Now, if we compare digital marketing to affiliate marketing, network marketing, if you get into the right digital marketing, you can actually earn 100% commission. You can earn all the money, right, without having to create any product. You can leverage done for you products which pay you, and with a digital product, the world is yours. It's global, right? You're not limited to your location, right? So unlike affiliate marketing, network marketing, you don't get a percentage of the money that you earn. You get a customer, you get all the money. So it's a very good business model. Again, once you learn these skills, you can use your digital marketing business skills to build your network marketing, affiliate marketing. This is not either or. You can have everything if you want, right? As long as you know how to reach that person who's searching for what you have to offer, right? So it's about learning skills. Now, the money, the results that you have in life will always follow your skill set and your mindset. So if your results are here, it means your skill sets are just below that and your mindset is just below that. So if you want better results, you have to work on your mindset, get rid of that stinking thinking, and work on your skill set, right? By working on those, your results will follow, right? So why you should actually invest in a program is because you probably thinking, oh, Angela, I could learn this from YouTube. Yes, you can, and so have I. I've learned from YouTube, right? But with YouTube, you go into a rabbit hole where you different creators, right, will give you snippets, right? And if you want to learn more, you have to pay for it, right? Otherwise, you're just learning from different people. You're not following a pathway, right? A roadmap. So if you want to avoid that and you want to actually have that structure by following a proven step-by-step blueprint, then you have to invest in a program, right? But when you invest in a program, make sure you do your research, right? Who created this program? Have they proven, has this course program, have they proven that it works not just for themselves but for other people? So I'm going to share with you our blueprint, right, where our multi-millionaire, she's a grandmother, she still is a grandmother of 6 children and 5 grandchildren. She went from zero experience, zero technical skills, zero following to earning her first million in 17 months. Now she's gone past her 5th million in like 3 years, right? But she's actually helped over 100 members of our community earn 6 figures, and over 19 South Africans have become South African millionaires in South African rands, right? So you have to make sure that this, whatever you're learning, not only works for the select few, but it works for a wide variety of people. So in a minute, I'm going to share with you real-time proof of that, right? And you have to make sure that it's what you're learning, you can learn and earn at the same time. There's no point in just learning theory, right? But you have to be able to apply what you learn and actually use that to make money. So let me, first of all, I think I'm going to share with you the wins that we have in our community, right, of different people earning using our proven step-by-step blueprint. Zinle, 26 minutes ago, said she woke up to $600. Now she's in South Africa, right? That's over 10,000 rands. She says digital marketing works, right? Bridget, 18 hours ago, she said she made a $300 sale while she was watching someone else's live. Vera, 6 days ago, made her first $100. She's 3 weeks with this amazing opportunity. Nomvaliso, 5 days ago, made a $600. She goes, happy new month. Christy, 17 hours ago, hit her first $39,000 in her first 10 months online. How amazing is that? Congratulations. Jessica, 7 days ago, made 18,000. She made over 400,000 in 18 months. And this is why I started here, because Daryl has made over 400,000 as well, right, in 16 and a half months. Now, Daryl and Jessica are both mentors in our community. So they do live interactive coaching and mentorship, showing us exactly how they got to where they are, right, and what they continue to do. Waking up to a sale, Maria Akonge, 2 days ago, she said on the 3rd, on the 4th, on the 5th of June, made 300, right? Nompilo, 300 after a webinar, that's 5,000 in rands. Yvonne, 900 while hospital appointment, right? That was 9 hours ago. And Darlene, 2 days ago, made, she said, her first viral video, over 35,000 views. Christina made 2 days ago, 4,500 while on vacation. James, $900 from a YouTube video 8 hours ago. Kelsey made 300 while making food, right? Jenny, a day ago, 1,805 days. And Faima made first $300 first sales. She made 300, and so on, right? So these are the different wins that we have in our community. And then our blueprint, this is what it looks like. We have different packages so you can get in where you fit in, right? So this is the one I got here, and this is what it looks like when you go in. There's different modules. When you click on the module, you can even have more stuff in there, over 200 lessons, videos that you can go through, right? So if you're a mom and you're looking, you're trying these different side hustles and they're not working for you, right? It's because you don't have the skills to attract your perfect customer. So invest the time and the money to learn how to attract your perfect customer. And there's no better time than now. I want to invite you, because I have access to this step-by-step blueprint, right? Click the link in the description to claim it. And when check your spam folder, your promotional folder. Once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email, right? Let's have a conversation. I'm here to help you make an informed decision. If you're sick and tired of being stuck, right? Being in the same place, you fear being in the same place 6 months from now, a year from now, you know that something's got to change. You're hungry to learn, right? You're coachable, you're teachable, you're willing to follow simple step-by-step instructions. You're willing to invest a minimum of 2 hours a day working on your income producing activities. Then I want to hear from you. Let's have a conversation, right? Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic